Look at that. Okay.
So much snow.
I know. That's why after I've done my payroll, I went home.
Hello, Father.
How you doing?
Not too bad. Look how deep that is.
Mark.
Oh, whoops.
You can close the door while you're shooting videos.
Dad, how? Oh yeah, okay, sure. Dad, how thick do you think the snow is right now?
It's about
2 feet.
a foot and a half. About 18 inches
Oh my goodness.
or 20. 20 inches right now. Look. See that?
Oh my
See
goodness.
this?
Look
Up
at
to here.
that. How's the snow in James, New York?
I don't know, probably not much.
Wait, I said that wrong. How's the snow? Oh, go ahead, Dad. Fall down.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
What is Dad trying to get to? Is what I want to know. Oh, okay. I see. Look at that. It's up to his knees. Breaking news. Weather is choppy. Weather is 40 centimeters.
Very choppy.
He said very choppy. Oh. Nice. Look at that. Upright. The weather is very choppy today. Oh. I would help, but I'm in my socks and I have no jacket. Alright, Father. Take it easy now. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is